Hey guys, how's it going? JJ Vlogs here, and I'm so excited right now because it just came in the mail. I was gonna do an unboxing, but I was too excited, and my phone was at like 2%. But look what came in the mail. You ready? Bronze play button. I had no idea this even comes, but I'm putting it right here. Right there. Wait, it's right there. Bronze play button. See, it says YouTube JJ Vlogs, congratulations on 25. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna put my Santa hat right above it, so because it's Christmas, we got the Christmas trees and presents finally. Yay! Okay, so I'm gonna put the Santa hat. Wait, I'll get back to you when I put it on. So if you guys don't know what the play buttons are, it's just like milestones in YouTube on subscribers. So apparently now, I had no idea, but apparently it's, first one's 25. Then it goes, so the first one's bronze, 25 subs. Then it's 10,000 silver. Then it's 1,000,000 gold. Then it's only a couple people reach this, but 10 million is a diamond play button. So this is, oh my god. Darn it! You'll know by me what my hands look like. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, share this video so we can get the, see, we're at 25, right? Tomorrow, 10,000 silver play button comes in the mail tomorrow. Overnight, let's do it! Yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video, and leave a comment on what you want next. And thank you for watching the video. Bye. Oh, I'm silly goose, silly goose. Oh, I'm a silly goose because it's made out of Crayola clay. Ha, ha, hey.